This has a very good lock system. Hello friends, I am Pushkar Prasar, and in today's videos I am going to unbox a screwdriver set which is XIAOMI WIHA. I ordered this from gearbest.com. Before start unboxing this, I am going to tell you that this screwdriver set is manufactured by XIAOMI. I hope you know the name XIAOMI, and you can use this screwdriver set to open your smartphone, your household appliances, as well as your watch and much more. So let's start unbox. So this is the box of XIAOMI WIHA which I ordered from gearbest.com. If you want to buy, then check out the link in the description. I will provide the link there. So this is the front part where you get the picture of a screwdriver set, and at the top left corner written that this product is the winner of Red Dot Award 2017 given for its superb design. At the bottom you get a WIHA branding and something written in Chinese language. On the side there is also a WIHA branding. On the back side you get information about the box content. This screwdriver set comes with 9 kind of screwdriver bit. Total 24 different bits, size of bits are mentioned here, and at the bottom some barcode and some information which is in Chinese language which I am not able to read. So let's open this. There is a strap written "Enjoy Work" on that, one notice card or something like that written in Chinese language, so I am not able to understand this. It has a lock unlock system to open this, and this is a iron body. As you can hear the sound of, but the main panel is of plastic. This is the driver or handle which is grey in color, made of aluminium alloy. These are the 24 bits ideal for daily household maintenance as watch, camera, radio, laptop, mobile phone, etc. This handle comes with Rotary Head design which make it very comfortable to use. Grip of this handle is also very good due to its hexagonal design. These bits are made of high quality S2 steel with a special antirust treatment. Bits have hardness of 60 HRC. Inside a box there is a magnet due to which bits are attracted toward the box. On the box above all bits you get a symbol of that bit. And these all come in an aluminum alloy storage box. Once again, use of this handle is very much comfortable, to which I used before. At the bottom you get a hook to lock the panel in aluminum alloy storage box. This lock mechanism works just by press. This is a very handy product in my opinion. Overall product quality is very good, but the price is on the little higher side in my opinion. Guys, you see the unboxing of the XIAOMI WIHA. Before that I use Jackley screwdriver set, but the quality of the bits of that screwdriver set is very much bad. Means they get easily destroyed. If the bits of Jackley screwdriver once used, they won't be able to use next time because they get destroyed. So I prefer you to go with that after using sometimes this XIAOMI WIHA. I will make a review video of this. So let's see whether this product is value for money or not. It is quite expensive, so I will provide the link of both. Check out it in the description box below. You can see the use of this screwdriver set in my upcoming videos. So if you watch the video till here, then don't forget to give this video a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, then press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. और सब्सक्राइब किए बिना मत जाइएगा, बिकॉज सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करना